Sisi no ka say lawyer and the appear Kubi. Actually the my court said na kobo postpone the Tanonum forest case no. But court already nobody can the chama Wontumi akọ court or horror I feel a judge, so between postpone the nafi or what me at one year can so that is the update of you see, Menoka say he's not free. Yes, maybe a jail in 20 years in prison with hard labor until you're free. There are 2 outstanding cases we were on one, and one year. The Japan don't make me at home.
But Sir John, NDC for any Omuabu Omu.
But
it's about MPP and NDC. Mami me point. It's about NDC.
Real point. No, point.
It's about the law to say, but it's about NDC. Me advise on my appointment in say is good. Says how do we hiding Abba. But any lesson so ma obi a wa appointment a wo ye adwuma. So obey and send him ran here then etie. Because Abba ni say no obi ade ma me meka na manisem any party sem. Na say am for raise. Ebi ni e ka no. JB mo ka ho de. President ni minister kra kan abade nu ya mean. Sake say hen den.
Akoma 87.9.
Akwaya ni nua ono ani nua so MPP o so de abanga aseden ono so issue ho ye ne den enti justice no improve omo status a case no so me yenre. That's all. Because to me me ye binum dia me pick binum. I'm not saying so a right. Yet me ye ni say ni anya other side. Ni hu say aban no the pepepe ye ye adwuma
abon krofo.
Yes. Na fe wa okuta office bia okuta ade a no okuta mu ye na utimi so obi diem chin nya no facts less than 1 year and 1.5 years ye wie
less than a year so
yes abanga nim dia na e bada ban jebi ya min dia no e me so enya pa wo se ka enya say jebi ye nya say
okan no
obi dia wo se wo dia se enya say enya bone kro na
ba bi okadi wie
ya min dia dis emro 4-5 months
appointees into omohofo. So that is that, no. So Okasa on phone. Oh no, I mean they say no there. Okasa there. We say all these things.
David.
Let me give you one revelation.
Yeah.
Taman so yiri fa for no. A friend says Sabra boy for no. NDC for no. MPP for no. But you obi adwuma kokoye na ma akoso that.
Na report abase say adwuma na man so yiri
over the years ayete Ghana
Accra you two galamsey ho
opoma tobo
Jebi Accra you two galamsey ho
over the years ayete Ghana ha no muse no da ben wo hu se nso yiri
enso na to ne so
that magnitude what are you
enso na to ne so
ayi dia
what are you talking
da ben yeso yete enso yiri cars akogu gatam e wa ha galamsey one cry
opoma me
enso na to nobody is condemning and also be supporting to me but ema pepepe yemra. What starting be there?
Yeah, point.
That's a fair question. Simple question. Yes, my lord. What I say, yes, of course. When you know, when you be
anya no mo de ya me ndin ba ye no
almost need
these are
them to mo report
the deputy
say Sir John asembu am ye fair
you want to have
de na allegation omo hwehwem utumi de na allegation
omo koy arrest
aya
ya me de when so much
utumi
de general about be ka say
da me a
enra deputy attorney general stream side
that's the
friend right or say investigations it take time and Yamine Abangadian it's still ongoing.
Okay,
you get to know that is what is happening.
Yeah, Opoma emphasis na.
Yeah, train. Name mo ayi mo anya de.
Enko
Come for minimum no kra.
Come on say 15.
And ya na de ba okay come for 15 no kra na aka wa. Mo for 15 nka aka wa. 20 wa ko sheda ko sim fimfi sa. Ya be winning na. Say Afenia.
Wontumi
purposely for division in the party.
By mid-city dental clinic, or na show come. Na your trusted source, destination for quality, and